In this session of SpaceClaim course, we are going to talk about Offset Tool and its applications in SpaceClaim software. The Offset tool creates a parallel copy of selected geometry at a fixed distance. In SpaceClaim, you can offset faces, surfaces of a solid or surface body, inflate or deflate the shape locally. You pick the entities, enter a distance, positive or negative, and SpaceClaim builds new geometry at that constant normal distance, either modifying the original body or creating new geometry, depending on options. To demonstrate the practical use of the offset command, I prefer to start with a random geometry consisting of a 20 times 20 millimeter square, and then extrude this square by 10 millimeters. Next, to continue the process, I draw another cube on the top surface of this cube with random dimensions, as you can see, and use the pull command to extrude it as well, so that my geometry is ready for explaining the offset command. In the default and normal mode of SpaceClaim, by activating the pull command and selecting any face of your geometry, you can only modify the dimensions of that specific face. This is where the offset command becomes useful. The offset command lets you couple two faces of a geometry so that when you execute the pull command on one of them, the second face changes size by the same proportion. Note that you cannot select just any two faces. By hovering the mouse over each face, the software shows whether those two faces can be coupled or not. Now, as you can see, when I select either of these faces, the second face will deform simultaneously with it. Now, I'm going to explain another point about this command. To do this, I'll draw a cube with completely random dimensions. As you can see, by selecting two opposite faces of this cube and applying the offset command to those faces, when I use pull this time, the entire geometry shifts along the existing direction. Again, I repeat the same operation with two other faces so that you can see the geometry being displaced in the new direction. What if I want to pull my geometry from both sides by selecting these two faces using the pull command? Is there any solution for that? The answer to your question is yes. After selecting your faces in the offset command, you can enable the select option, choose one of the faces, and change the this face setting to center. This will achieve exactly what you intended to do. I hope this video was useful for you. To benefit from Mr. CFD services, including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website and contact us via these addresses.